Today we're looking at an absolute classic Casio watch, the W218HD-1. This one's a bit of a fan favorite among the Casio community, and for good reason. It's got all the marks of a great Casio. To start with, an instantly recognizable square face with big digital numbers, making it very legible. Then we've got the tough looking case with the 50-meter water resist and illuminator logos printed above and below the face. And of course, a smooth stainless steel link bracelet. I don't know about you guys, but whenever these features come about in a watch, you don't even need the logo to know that it's a Casio. This beauty is simple and functional, as all Casios are, with an orange illuminator activated with the push of the button on the right hand side. You're able to read this in the dark. The button up to the top left switches between 12 and 24-hour time formats, and the bottom left button cycles between alarms, the stopwatch, and finally the time change mode. This watch is going to be a great everyday wear with a lightweight design of only 85 grams and a 50-meter water resistance. It's not going to be as indestructible as a G-Shock, but I'm sure it could take a few knocks and be absolutely fine. A mineral glass tops out the watch face, and a one-touch, three-fold clasp keeps this firmly on the wrist. For the money you're spending on this, you're getting a great watch. Ideal for any age bracket with its easy-to-read screen and simple functions. As far as digital watches go, this one is all you need. At this price point, you simply can't go wrong. If you don't already have one of these in your collection, they're a must-have, and they also make for the perfect gift. How many other people do you know that rock a Casio and absolutely love it? Seriously, has anyone ever said something bad about these watches? Trust me, these things are great. I have a similar one in the A158WA1, and it's never let me down in the 5 years I've been wearing it. So there you go, a timeless fan favorite Casio. If you want to check out our huge range of Casio watches, just open up the description and click the link to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Make sure to subscribe for more watch videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.